What's something people don't know about fire trucks? Let's dive into the world of amazing fire trucks you need to see. First up, meet the Panther 8X8. This beast can speed up to 80 miles per hour and carries 3,170 gallons of water. Perfect for airport rescues. Next, we have the Bronto Skylift F116 RLP. This bad boy can extend up to 116 feet high. Imagine rescuing people from skyscrapers with that reach. Ever heard of the Unimog U5000? This versatile truck can handle the roughest terrains. Mud, snow, you name it, it plows through. Check out the Pierce Velocity Pulse. It's compact but packs a punch. With a 2,000 GPM pump, it's a true powerhouse in the city streets. And finally, the Majiras Super Dragon X8. This truck's got style and strength. It's designed for maximum efficiency and speed. Fire trucks aren't just red and shiny, they're engineering marvels. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.